What's up, guys? Good Saturday morning to you. We just got here to Grassroots Yard Supply. I figured we'd film around a little bit before it gets busy. I just got back from Vegas. I'm exhausted, a little under the weather, throat's kind of scratchy. Must have picked something up out yonder, but before it gets busy today, I thought we'd walk around the nursery. They've got a lot of deliveries while we were away, so we're gonna walk around and see what's new. But first, we gotta get us a fire built here because it's chilly, and I'd much rather burn free wood than propane. So let's get a fire going, go check on the birds, then take a little tour around the nursery. All right, so we got her loaded up. Now we'll go around here, turn our fan on. I usually go about right there. You can walk around here, hear it click on in just a second, and then that should be just fine for the majority of the day. There we go, the fan just kicked on. Oh yeah, she'll go now. And then we'll check our water temp. I usually try to keep it at about 120, 130. So you can see right here, it's set at 120. So that should be just fine. So let's go walk around now, and we'll go see what new plants we got in. Actually, let's go check on the birds first, then we'll go walk around and check out what we got in. Hey, Miss Holly. How you doing today, buddy? Huh? Were you good while I was gone? Were you good? Yeah? All right. You better have been. And we'll go over here and check on the little guys. We lost our canary. Not sure what happened to him, but he passed away. He was a rescue, so could have just been old. Not really sure. You little guys. Hey, Larry. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Did you miss me? Are you being good? Or are you being bad? Per usual. I see you tore your swing up again. Hey, Miss Scarlett. How you, darling? You doing okay? You having a good Saturday so far? All right. Let's see what all is going on in here. Fountain's still running. We got to get in here and clean out our little fountain pond. Got a lot of leaves and just crap that is falling down in it. Probably gonna wait till it gets a little bit warmer though before we go do that. Just because I don't want to get wet when it's cold. Hey, how y'all doing? All right, everybody's doing good. And there, Scott is taking care of feeding them up, and our heater is kicking good out here. It is chilly, y'all. I'm telling you, man, that wind coming through, it just kind of got a bite to it this morning, but that's not stopping folks from coming out because we just had some folks walk into the jungle house. So we better hurry up and go around here and see all the new stuff before we get busy and I don't have time to film anymore. Looks like we got some new daylilies in. This is Stella de Oro, real old popular Hemerocallis daylily. Veggies are doing good. They enjoyed that rain last night. Dave's got some customers already down in the nursery. Saturdays in springtime are usually insane. Looks like this one's not going to be any different. What is this here? Super purple. No tag in it. Hate when they send stuff with no tags. Let's see if maybe it's on the side of the pot. Oh, red cabbage. Huh. We'll have to get some of that to take home. Looks like we got some more bubblegum. Supertunia proven winners. Vista bubblegum. These baskets will get absolutely ginormous. They'll hang over the sides of those baskets, 1.5 feet, 2 feet sometimes. They just get huge. And I always forget the name of this tree right here. Maybe if some of y'all know, you can comment below. I'll have to look it up. But these came in out of Florida. This is a nice tropical. Been tree formed. They look great around the pool or patio. Some more baskets. These are going to be more shade loving. Well, actually, no, I'm wrong. This is sun patient. So this is the impatient that can take a lot of sun. So this mixed in with some coleus would be nice hanging on the porch as well. Right, Miss Joy?
Good morning.
Hey, Buster. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you, dude.
Been in the greenhouse?
Not yet. Why? Why are you smiling like that? Is it insane?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
3 trucks this week.
Oh, Lord.
But it's good. I'm not ordering anything.
I'm gonna
Just
go ahead
come
and go in. You got my interest peaked. Let's go in here and check it out. Yeah, it's pretty full. Awesome. What else we get in that's new?
We get these kiwis, racinas. We've got
Oh.
these beautiful birds of paradise, the white.
The white ones?
We get these big
Are those Kimberly Queen?
Kimberly Queens.
Kimberly Queen ferns. This is the kiwi Dracaena, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that one.
Isn't it beautiful?
That is really
That's
pretty.
one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Beautiful house plant or a porch plant.
Yeah, I like that. It's got more of an upright spike top on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's cool.
Come on, Buster. We gotta show them.
You got your head full.
I know. Cordyline.
Oh yeah.
Shade grown cordyline right there.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna flip over this though. This is Dutchman's pipe.
Oh, cool.
Isn't that amazing?
We haven't had these before.
No, they are the host plant for swallowtails.
Ah,
And
okay.
there's a bunch of babies on it.
Oh, nice.
The vine grows 20
That's a
to 30 feet. It's a tropical,
tropical,
though, so
right?
it's not
Yeah.
hard to hear.
Oh, that's cool. I like that a lot.
It's very cool. We've got 3 of those plants, so
Full-
that's gonna be something.
Full sun or shade or what?
Full sun.
Okay,
Yeah.
I like it.
We got some citrus here. We got some new. We got loaded with
Nice. Got some limes.
We got some limes in Myers. We've got some that look even nicer than that somewhere here.
Yeah, somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're kind of full. Ooh, I like that. Look at
That's
that.
a delicious
That's
red.
huge.
Yeah.
I've never seen the Mandevilla flower that big.
Yeah, we got the ones that were the giant mandevillas.
Cool. Well, the
We've got some
gardenia
beautiful
tree
gardenia
form.
tree form.
Nice.
Nice. Come on, Buster.
Buster, what else you got, buddy?
We got
You got some begonia baskets.
bananas.
Oh yeah, those are nice big bananas.
Yeah, those are the
These are hardy.
Those are the hardy bananas.
Okay. Yeah, the Musa Basju. That's not a bad price for those big old bananas too.
No.
They got some big leaves coming out. Those are ready to go.
They are. We've got more citrus here. That one's got limes or lemons all over.
Oh yeah, it sure does. Look at that. That's a Meyer.
Meyer, yeah. We've got lots of Meyers right now. They're nice looking
Good.
plants.
Those will be selling here really soon. It's gonna get cold again.
Next 3 nights.
I'm so
Deb,
tired of it.
look at the colors on the hibiscus.
Ooh. Which ones are these? Are these the Hollywood
Well,
or just
no,
standard?
Some of them are Hollywood and some of them are other varieties, but they don't come labeled. So
Oh, okay.
unfortunately, I cannot
We don't know.
distinguish.
We don't know which ones are
Yeah,
which,
so we
huh?
put just a hibiscus.
Those are pretty though. Wow, I love
They're
hibiscus.
beautiful, and if you turn
Oh
around
yeah.
this way, yeah, those are gonna go fast.
Oh yeah, well, I was just
Duranta.
showing that's what it is, Duranta. I was just showing the folks outside. We sell the hell out of those every year, and I couldn't remember the name of
Yeah,
it.
full sun Duranta.
And that's a tropical too, I was
Yep.
saying.
Yep, tropical.
Oh, you got a lot of coleus in.
Yeah, the coleus just came in. It's beautiful.
That is pretty. You gonna pinch all of it?
I wasn't gonna pinch that yet.
No. Okay.
I'd like to sell it just like that.
Yeah, well, it looks beautiful, so I'm
Yeah.
sure it'll go.
If it starts to get leggy, we will
We'll
pinch
pinch
though.
it. Okay.
For sure.
And pinching it, just for those of you that don't know, can I do one?
You go right ahead. They're all
right,
yours.
I'll do one, just to show folks. So we pinch that piece off right there, and that'll cause those 2 nodes to grow, and you'll just have a much fuller, bushier plant. But these do look really, really pretty.
Really nice. These came from High Cotton. Our tomatoes are
Oh wow,
tomatoey.
man! Y'all been feeding these things.
Well,
I filmed just a couple of days ago, and they were just little bitty,
they've grown fast.
little bitty
Our
sprouts.
peppers are behind. For some reason, they're growing real slow this spring, but
Yeah.
we will have peppers.
Maybe it's just because the temperature's been so crazy.
Yeah, could be.
Up, down, 80 degrees, and then 30.
We've got some
Tons of
orange
succulents.
trees that came out in the end down there.
Oh yeah? You go check those out. You got some good looking stuff, darling.
We're ready for spring. I hope that these next 3 nights that are supposed to be cold is the end of it.
Yeah, I hope so too. This is one of my favorites right here. This Intense Celosia. That's a good seller. Oh, I see your oranges.
Yeah.
I like it when they send them with these sleeves. You can tell a lot easier what plant it is. Yeah. Nice orange trees, some more cordyline, big spider plant hanging baskets, all kinds of stuff.
We've got the mosquito plant and we've got plumbago.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
show me.
here it is. We have some tropical milkweed.
Oh
I
yeah.
think there are some baby butterflies on there. Jovi spouted some
Already?
already.
Wow.
It's the time to get them.
Yeah.
We've got that, but I've got some seeds that's just germinated that
Cool.
is that variety.
For
so
later
a
in the
little bit
year.
later.
Okay. Perfect. Well, it looks great.
It does.
It's slap full, that's for sure.
Flat fall. Here's some more citrus. What else would you probably have more back there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love citrus. It's just so much fun to grow out on your porch. Now these, you know, Myers is hardy down to, I don't know, probably 25-ish, somewhere in there. But it will show signs of damage even at 25. So you have to bring this in if you really want to, you know, try to be successful at growing any fruit. Bring it in when it goes below freezing, but they are just budded up, already setting fruit. So these will be ready to go. Put them in a big pot, put them out on the patio, and let them do their thing, and then enjoy them all summer and bring them in during the winter. It's got some big tree form hibiscus. Those are monsters. These will get huge just as soon, another week or two, when the weather finally decides it's going to stop freezing. These will really take off, make big trees, and just give you that real tropical vibe. Got angel's trumpets back here. These are nice big angel's trumpet. Let's see, Betty Marshall white. They probably got a couple other colors up in there too, but I'm not gonna go digging in it. I gotta give props to the girls. They take care of this greenhouse like nobody's business. Keep it clean, everything's healthy, as bug free as we can keep it without spraying too much. I don't like to use a lot of chemicals just because we have general public in here. We have to work in here ourselves, so we try to use, you know, organic insecticides as much as possible. Every once in a while we have to spray. Those greenhouse conditions are just perfect for growing bugs, unfortunately, but anyway, they do a really good job of keeping it clean. We hardly ever have to spray any harsh chemicals. Our tulips are still blooming down here by the creek. We'll be getting some aquatic plants in here probably in another month or so. We'll stack those all out there in the creek and down in our lily pond. And then looks like Dave's got some new stuff over here. We got some spiral boxwood topiaries, it looks like. And man, look at this giant pieris. Holy crap, that thing is huge. Look at all the blooms on it. That'll make a statement real quick in your yard. We've got some deciduous azaleas blooming. Those are really pretty. That one's Stonewall Jackson is the variety of that. And it looks like some treeform viburnum. Not seen that before. That's really pretty. More hibiscus out here. Man, look at our viridis Japanese maples. They're blooming. Got all the new foliage on them. That one's a little bit bigger over there. I pruned those back during the winter. Maybe not quite hard enough, because I really like to be able to see all the branching and stuff like that up in there. But looking good. We've got an olive tree over here, it looks like. I love coming back from, I was about to say vacation. It wasn't really a vacation out in at the Con Expo. But love coming back and seeing all the new stuff that they've put out everywhere. The water lilies are starting to wake up, and we'll have a lot more water lilies coming in here real soon too. Everything's leafing out. Before I left, we had to come down here. We had a leak in this reservoir down here, so we came in, dug it out again, made another little area to put some more bog plants, put our aqua blocks back in, installed this new drain right here to catch all the water coming down from the concrete ramp, and got to get it decorated, put our rocks back around it, hide all the liner, and get that thing back to working like it should be. We'll go walk around the nursery real quick. Like, azaleas have opened up. See a lot of color in the azalea beds. We've got some customers down here walking around already. It's going to be a busy Saturday, hopefully. Let's see if any of our pitcher plants have opened yet. Not quite, but we're getting ready. We're not far off, a couple more days and those should be opened up. I'm wondering if these little ones, yeah, they're gonna bloom too. See there? These are young pitchers, so I was curious if they were gonna bloom this year or not. And pond's looking great. Koi swimming around, enjoying their little habitat. All right, well, just got called on the radio. Got to go help a customer up here at the store. I'll try to periodically film throughout the day today, just to let you guys see what a Saturday here at Grassroots is all about. Well guys, sorry I didn't have much time to film today, even though it was kind of an overcast and chilly Saturday. It was busy as all heck, and I was running left and right. We were kind of a little short on employees today. Didn't even get to spend any time with Larry, so Larry's going to walk around with us, make sure everything's covered with frost cloth, and we still got customers trying to to come in the gate. So Dave's down there closing it up now and having to tell them to come back Monday. It's nearly 5 o'clock and we shut down at 4. That's just how busy it was. So sorry y'all didn't get to kind of really hang out with us. We sold a good many plants today, loaded out a lot of mulch and a lot of compost. So like I say, just making sure everything is covered with shade cloth because it's going down to 31 tonight. Everything's in full bloom, plus we've got a lot of stuff that's just got a lot of tender growth on it right now. So anyway, that's kind of a busy Saturday here, even though you didn't get to see a whole lot, right Larry? But down in the nursery, we've got everything covered up. We're gonna have to do that for a few nights now, until Thursday, I think. Then it's supposed to, right? Then it's supposed to get warm, and maybe even 85. I think they're calling for on Thursday. We're gonna throw a few more pieces of wood in the furnace to last through the night, and then we'll be back down here tomorrow on Sunday just to kind of water, feed the birds. We're not open on Sunday. But just still got to come and check on everything. And got this wild dude on my shoulder. He don't like the shade cloth too much. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Sorry this is not much of a video, but we'll be back. I'm just going to keep pumping out content, so if you find any of it useful or entertaining, then hit that like and subscribe. We appreciate you. We'll see you on the next video. Bye y'all. You can say bye Larry, maybe next time. All right, see you guys.